Transform your paving, paths and patio projects with Sika Setting Sand. Specifically designed for fine and narrow joints, it's suitable for all block paving. It's easy to apply. It sets hard and it won't crack, shrink or wash out. It resists weeds and insects, reducing upkeep. It's suitable for light vehicle traffic, and Sika Setting Sand weathers beautifully to blend perfectly with your paving for years to come. All you need are the following tools. Ensure that the paving to be jointed is dry and free from loose dirt, oil, debris and grease. Read the instructions carefully and always use the appropriate safety gear. Sika recommends gloves, safety boots and protective eyewear. The bag contents may settle in transit, so for best results, remix the dry material before use. Don't add extra sand, and if there are any lumps, be sure to remove them. It's best to use Sika Setting Sand in small, manageable amounts and don't spread it across a wide area. The paving joints should be between 2 and 5 mm wide and at least 25 mm deep. Sika Setting Sand should be applied to the entire joint depth. Work in sections and sweep the material into the joints, making sure each joint is completely filled. Then thoroughly soak the joints with a hose or watering can. Don't use a pressure washer. Finally, rinse any excess material away. This finished surface is safe to walk on immediately, but should be left to dry. Drying normally takes between 1 and 2 days, but the time it takes depends on temperature. If rain is expected, cover the surface to ensure a smooth finish. And 28 days are required for Sika Setting Sand to set fully whatever the weather. Avoid pressure washing the paving during this time. And that's it, job done. Sika Setting Sand, the straightforward solution for brilliant block paving.